So with those three elements in mind, your camera and its position or orientation in the model, the light source in SketchUp, the direct sunlight, and kind of where it's at in your world and how it's kind of affecting the model. And then the surfaces themselves, their orientation to the camera and the light, sort of their relationship between the two, and also the direct color or material that's being applied to it. While those are fairly basic concepts, it's worth us going through this little warm-up example because they're all very foundational elements to creating great renderings as we go along in the process. So that's all we'll do with this file, and next we can move on to a first rendering where we work through the rendering workflow.